The way we communicate has changed because the way we work has changed. Have you equipped your team with the necessary skills to connect, engage, and influence action in a virtual environment? Consider your team and their time spent in online meetings, working on projects, presentations, meetings, and conversations. To create the momentum needed to be successful, your team needs to be heard and understood. For your company to thrive, virtual employees must overcome the limitations of our online environments to build trusting relationships that lead to day-to-day success. Our half-day virtual workshop equips your team and the skills needed to influence action in every virtual conversation. One of our instructors will spend 3 hours providing your team with the hands-on experience needed to elevate their influence in a virtual environment. Through a series of video recordings, each person observes how they come across through the eyes and ears of their listeners. Our instructors then provide them with the skills to elevate their influence. Participants learn how to ask and receive specific feedback, helping them immediately implement changes in their next step. To maximize your return on investment, each participant receives accountability challenges that ensure they maintain momentum long after the workshop. Our techniques provide a powerful change in how your team interacts, connects, communicates, and drives results in a virtual environment. We tailor workshops to address your specific needs, expectations, and communication methods. Your investment gives your team the ability to immediately influence action on priorities that are meaningful to you and your company. If your team is larger than 24, we can help you identify those on your team with the biggest potential for growth and ensure they attend the first workshop. We can also discuss other workshop formats that accommodate larger teams. We limit participants because we want to ensure each participant takes a deep dive into learning and practicing the skills needed to create real change. Connect with us to learn more about our workshops. We can set up a time to meet and discuss how we can help your teams elevate their influence Monday to Monday.